Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR X70i and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find digital well-being and parental controls. Let's tap on it. So here we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. In my case it is 1 hour and 42 minutes, and most of the time I've spent on the Chrome, then the settings. Here we've got also the unlocks and notifications count. So if you'd like to check some further details, you can either tap inside this graph and you will be transferred to the dashboard where you can compare the screen time in specific days of the week. You can change the screen time to notifications received and times opened, and under it you've got the list of apps which you've been using with the specific time spent on them. If you'd like to set some kind of limits for the apps, just tap on the app and then tap on app timer, and you will be able to set it according to your needs. And the second way is to tap directly on the app. So instead of tapping inside the graph, you can tap on the Chrome, for example, and again you will enter the dashboard with this one app exclusively. What is more, under it you've got ways to disconnect, so you've got app limits again, but you can also set the bedtime mode or focus mode. So for example, if you need to work and you need to simply focus, you don't want to be disturbed, then you can just mark the distracting apps and set a schedule in which hours and which days you don't want to be disturbed, and your device will simply hide the notifications from those apps. So that's quite useful. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.